Hey, today I want to talk to you about how to make money working from home. This is a super popular subject. Lots of people are looking for either some additional side income or to even replace their full-time job. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video is how you can make money working from home, and specifically how you can make money working from home by doing online jobs. So here I'm at Google. And if you were to go to Google search and type in how to make money working from home, you can see there's about 3 billion results that come up in the search. And that's a crazy amount of results because this is a super, super popular topic. And so if you're looking for how to make money working from home, you can kind of get lost in these 3 billion results. And you can see that the first results are all just ads, because it is such a popular thing. So I'm going to talk to you about 5 specific ways that you can make money working from home, and these are all things that you can do, or most all of them you can do online, and don't take skills necessarily, but some are focused on if you have a particular skill set. So let's go into the first one, and this is basically online social media jobs. A lot of companies, they need help managing their social media. And so this is a platform where you can, if you like doing social media, if you enjoy that, if that's something you enjoy and find fun, then you can actually make money by playing on social media, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, etc., and you get paid to start this. I'm going to leave the links for all these in the description box down below, so please click if this is of interest to you. But these actually pay $25 to $50 per hour, and you can work from home and just do it online. All you basically need is a phone, and this can be a great option. So number 2 is if you like to write, okay, there's a lot of demand for written content. And these are, again, online jobs. They also pay in the range of $25 to $50 per hour. Now, it says you don't need any experience, obviously, but having, if you like to write, then this is probably going to be a good one for you. The next one we're going to look at is, this is basically for live chat assistants. You know how you go to a website and they have, the little live chat box that comes up, or, you can chat with a representative. And that's basically what these are. These are live chat, social media representative type jobs. And again, things that you can do working from home. You just need a computer, a cell phone, etc. And you can be a live chat assistant. The next one we're going to look at is actually really interesting to me. And people do very well with this. New apps are coming out all the time for cell phones, tablets, etc. And people, they invest a lot of money developing this app, and they want it to be successful. And so before they go live, they need testers. They need people to test out the apps, make sure that they work, and then fix any bugs so that it'll be ready when they actually do go live in the marketplace. Because the last thing they want to do is invest a lot of time and money and energy and resources and into an app and then have it go live. It doesn't work, it flops, and they've just wasted all that time. And so they do need, and they pay for people to test the apps, give feedback, give reviews. So this is actually a really, really good one that you should take a minute to look into. And the last one we're going to talk about is if you like to take photos. Now, this could just be from your phone. You don't need to have fancy, camera equipment to do this. But, if you like to take photos and you have a good eye for taking photos, then you can make money by just uploading your photos online. There's different marketplaces where you can do this, and they show you how and whatnot. And take photos, upload them, and make money. The nice thing about this is kind of a residual income where, you're taking photos anyway, right? So you're not really going out of your way, but you upload these photos, and then, you could have a photo that just takes off and becomes a really popular seller, and you just did the work the one time. You took the photo, you uploaded it, and that's it. And then it just keeps making money for you after that. And so that's a really nice residual stream that just keeps going and going and going. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, I'll leave the links in the description box below if you're interested in any of these online ways to make money from home that isn't your traditional, e-commerce or drop shipping or Amazon or, but some different ways that you can make money working from home and doing it online. Thanks so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to the channel so you can get more up-to-date information about how to succeed online.